Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to export your video with audio from Openshot. So have you lately exported a video from Openshot only to find that there is no audio? If that's the case, stick around. So some videos on the internet have suggested that while doing your export you must make sure that you set your audio settings, the codec, to AAC. And yes, that's true. That's what you need to do. You need to set your audio codec to AAC. But some people on the internet as well are still complaining that even with AAC set, still their videos come out without audio. The problem is the settings. When you're doing your export from Openshot, you might have seen that you do the settings for the audio first, and then you go back and then you change the profile for your video that you're going to export. Profile normally suggests where the video is going, if it's going on a web or DVD or something like that. So when you change, most of the times when you change the profile after you have set the audio codec, each and every profile most of the times comes with its own audio codec. You would find that when you go back, in most cases you will find that after changing the profile, this audio codec is set to something else. So what you need to do when you're exporting, you need to first set your profile. If it's DVD, device, Blu-ray, whatever it is, most of the times it's the web, and we are exporting for YouTube. After I set, it's going to the web, and I say, okay, I'm exporting for YouTube. I need the HD for YouTube, and then video profile, blah, 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 blah. I set HD and all that. Then only can you go back to advanced. You see what I'm talking about? After I set all the video settings and going to YouTube and all that stuff, the audio codec was changed to lib something. So you need to make sure that you set your profile first, and then you go to advanced, and then set your audio codec to AAC, and then export. So once you do that, you are set to have your video come out with audio just the way you expected. That's it for today, guys. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please don't forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, plus sharing the video. Also talk to me in the comments below, and yeah, that's the way we keep this channel alive. That's it for today. Peace. I'm out.